Hey guys, what's up? Winters are here, and don't we all just love winters? But what we don't like about winters are the dry skin, isn't it? It's very annoying. But I have a solution to your problems. I have two DIY moisturizers, one for the face and other for the body, which really works for 24 hours. Literally, you guys must try it. I have been using these moisturizers for past 2 to 3 years. But since this year I started with my YouTube channel, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. It really works. You guys must try it. But before we get started, I would like you to please like and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. These are the ingredients for the face moisturizer. This is geranium essential oil. I like to use it for the effects and mainly for the essence. I love the essence. This is the face cream I use. You guys can choose the face cream you like, your regular face cream, coconut oil and glycerin. Let's get to the process. I am taking 1 scoop of coconut oil and I'll melt it. To the melted coconut oil, I am adding few drops of essential oils. You can completely skip this step. The essential oil added was just for the essence. It has nothing to do with the hydration. To this, I'll add my face cream, and a very little amount, just like a drop or of just a drop or two of glycerin. That's it. And now we have to mix it well. It's mixed now. As you can see, it doesn't really changes the consistency of the cream. It's more or less the consistency of the face cream you use. And now we can store it in a box. So this is the moisturizer we just made, and I'll show you guys how it feels on the skin. They'll hydrate your skin for 24 hours, but they are not at all sticky. That's the best part of these moisturizers. If you can see my skin, it has absorbed completely and it's not at all sticky. I hope you guys liked it. For a body lotion which stays for 24 hours, we need only 3 ingredients. Any body lotion, any basic body lotion. I personally prefer the smell of cocoa. That's why I'm using this. You can use any body lotion you want. This is the main ingredient, glycerin. And I prefer coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. You can use any oil of any brand you like. Moving to the preparation. I have already melted the coconut oil over here. I think you can see the melted coconut oil over here, and I'm not sure if you guys can make out the level. This is the level. If I dip in the fork, I think you can see the level. This is the level of coconut oil we are gonna use for this lotion. To this, I am adding equal amount of glycerin. Slightly more will also do, doesn't matter. Too much glycerin actually will make your body sticky. The final part is adding the body lotion. This will also be added in the equal amount. You can adjust the consistency the way you like it. I prefer equal amounts of all the 3 products. And now we are gonna mix it well. As you can see, it's evenly mixed now. This is how the consistency looks like. I'll store it in a jar. This is the jar I have been using previously. So my stock was finished, so I'm making the new one. So this one is my previously stored batch. It's almost over. I'm showing you guys this so that you can see that it has very dilute consistency. As you can see, since it has glycerin and body lotion in it along with the coconut oil, it does not freezes. It never freezes. You don't have to heat it. It's perfect for use. It's ready to use. And this will stay more than 24 hours. It's amazing. You guys should try it.